Let's understand how to create professional delivery note using the Quotation Maker web app. From the dashboard, click on New Delivery Note to get started. From here, you can change the delivery note date. From here, you can add delivery note details like reference number. Add customer by clicking on the Select Customer option. Here, you can choose a customer from the existing customers list or add a new customer. Fill up customer details and don't forget to save it. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select product. Here you can choose product from existing products list or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. Fill up product quantity. You can also edit description. Now click on Add to Delivery Note. This will be added to your delivery note. Now let's add another product, same as the first one. Selected products will be displayed in the final PDF. From here you can add other information if available. In other info, you can add details like vehicle number, transport information, etc. Let's add terms and conditions. Here, you can choose terms from the existing list or add new terms. Add terms as per your need or requirement, then save it. You can select multiple terms or select all terms. Selected terms will be displayed on the final PDF. Verify all details on the screen. And generate delivery note. Your professional-looking delivery note is ready. You can download it as a PDF. Thank you for watching.